The 2018 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.